Hey folks, you're watching Gun Tractor. Here's the old girl right now. We haven't made a tractor video in quite a while because I ran out of money. The tractor, when we started putting it together, we realized we needed new tie rods or drag links. So we have new tie rods or drag links coming in the mail pretty soon, and it's hard to find those except through Steiner, and you got to pay an arm and a leg for them. For the old style drag links. So we're getting a universal drag link that'll hopefully work and work well on our old style gearbox. We're also going to get a new radiator because our old radiator looks like garbage. It's all busted up and has issues. But as we were working things out, we realized that right here at the top, it's all busted up, it's cracked and broken. I could try to braze it, but I just don't know if it's worth it. It's because we need a new radiator anyway. So that's where we're at. Waiting for drag links. And I'm trying to focus this and it's not focusing. Well, anyway. My boy keeps telling me, there we go. We're waiting for a new radiator, new drag links, and I've got a new grill coming as well. So that's just an update on the old 1947 48N tractor. Hopefully, we'll have this thing running next time we talk. Of course, we may videotape the drag links, but we'll see. Putting on the radiator. Maybe we'll do a time-lapse video putting it back together. Who knows? So, thanks for watching, and check out our gun videos as they come now that it's turning to spring. Thanks for watching, guys.